Let's upload a file to generate our questions. So I'm uploading a file of Wikipedia page about large language model. And what is happening in the background is we are uploading this file on our file system, creating a read stream from that, and uploading that to OpenAI storage. And next, we are providing a prompt to generate only 3 questions for now based on that PDF file. So this is going to take some time until it generates the questions, and I can click on a student tab and see all the questions there. So let's give it some time, wait until the questions are generated. Okay, so when I click on a student, as I said, I'm seeing 3 questions here. And now we implemented, this is this part implementation, feedback functionality and grading. So let's click on a couple of options. What is happening in the background here is when I click on one of these options, the application knows the questions, correct answer, and the user answer, and pass that to the LLM to be able to provide a feedback depending on the user answer and the correct answer, and using the file we uploaded previously as the reference of the knowledge. So what is the primary function of large language model? I think this is the right answer. So what is happening in the background is we passed all this information to the LLM, and LLM is going to generate the answer for us. So here we see some latency until the LLM generates the answer for us and the feedback for us. So this is part 3 of our article, to implement a streaming to show some input to the user until the LLM provides the full feedback. So this is going to take some time. As you see, the model generate the answer. So it says your answer is spot on, I'm correct. Now let's answer just randomly to a couple of these questions. Okay, we got the feedback for these 2 questions as well. So you see I answered incorrectly. So we instructed the LLM to be friendly, encouraging, so give some hint and information to the user to know what is the right answer. Here is the whole idea is learning, not just getting a score. So we are instructing the LLM for that. And as you see, we are parsing the answer as markdown. That's why you see hint is bold, etc. So when I click on submit, I should see my total score and a table of the breakdown of each question. What was my answer? What was the correct answer? So this is part 2. In part 3, we are going to improve the UX by reducing the latency using a streaming and adding reset button to reset user feedback, or adding multiple attempts. So right now, user unlimitedly, they can answer the questions. So we are going to add number of attempts functionality and see how it works.